said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're actually in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're headed to our next destination. Braden, where are we going to next?
We're going to Arizona, baby. Let's go.
We're in Arizona. Woo! We're off to Utah next. Braden, let's go.
What's up, guys? We had finally made it to Utah. I just want to tell you guys, it's just been a blessing and so great to be on this journey, you know, like just to hit the road and shit, you know what I mean? Like we fly around on planes a lot, you know, we travel around the different countries, but it's been a while since we explored our own states, you know, in the United States. So that's what we're doing now. We're going to go to the Horseshoe Bend. Come follow us and see what's good. Let's go.
We now join our program already in progress. That shit on a hello.
Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to us. If you can, make sure to comment down below, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I just want to say I love you guys. I love the world. I miss you guys. I wish you were here. Good night. Goodbye. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.